guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was just doing my normal day-to-day activities and I received a knock at the door and I got my Boxyluxe. Oh yeah. So I got my Boxyluxe in the mail today. So I'm just going to be starting from the beginning with skincare and going through the items and seeing what we got, and at the end we'll just kind of discuss and see if is it worth it. I'll start with the, I don't know how to say this, Panama Sunset Glow Oil. So I don't know if I really want to put this on. I'll swatch it. And I've never used a glow oil before. My daughter's tearing up my box already. It's really pretty. And let me just say that everything came packaged very nicely. Everything came intact. There's no broken shadows. Everything was fine. I checked it all already. And I never received a tracking number. It just was a surprise at my door a little while ago. So the whole experience with ordering the Boxyluxe was a little bit nerve-wracking, just because as soon as it went on like sale, the site crashed. Hey, what are you doing? And I kind of was expecting that, because kind of like when anything popular goes on sale, like sites crash. So what I did was I just kept refreshing and kept relogging in, and then after about an hour of like retrying and not being able to get past like an error code, I started going on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, trying to see if Boxycharm was like releasing any information as to if they're fixing the site, if they're sold out, what's going on. So I saw that they were saying that they were not sold out yet after an hour. It was 7 o'clock my time, which is 10 o'clock Eastern time, I think. So I decided just to keep trying because I really wanted it, and it's such a good deal because, I mean, it all totaled out to what, I think $49, $48, $49, and that's the price of this one palette alone. So, you know, it's a good deal, and if there's good deals out there, I always try and get them. It took me about an hour and a half to get my Boxyluxe. So after I saw that BoxyCharm was talking to people on like Twitter and Instagram saying what was going on, I knew that they weren't sold out, so I just went ahead and kept trying. And I was persistent enough, and I got one. Yay! Enough of my blabbering, and let's just try out this oil. Panama Sunset Glow Oil Illuminator. Translucent, transfer resistant shimmer for body and face. Okay, that's what I wanted to know, if it was for body and face, because I have like really sensitive skin. You could even see like right here, like sometimes this stuff doesn't really go well on my body. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. So this is the top, and to me this looks like a little paint container that you would get from like Walmart, you know, like in the craft area. I thought it was gonna be a pump. This makes me a little bit nervous. By the way, I moved my setup and I have everything in front of my window now, so I hope the lighting's a little bit better. I can't open this. It smells like almost like liquid tanner and like tanning oil and perfume. I don't know. Okay, so can you see that? It gives like a nice sheen. It smells really nice. It's not like super oily. I have really dry skin, so I don't mind stuff that's like moisturizing. I want to try and put this in my foundation. Another cute thing that I got in my Luxe is this little tote bag. So this is the pamphlet that came in the box. It's super cute. I love this color. Okay, so the Sunset Glow Oil retails for $35. And the more I let it, the more it sits, it has a really strong smell. I don't know if I would mix this with perfume. It smells like a perfume on its own. Another one of the things that came in the box that is really super cute is this little hairband, which I've been needing actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. And this is by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. Super cute. And it feels really nice quality. This is so cute. I love this. So we have Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. And I think this retails for like $80 on the website. $80. $80. Well, okay then. Ooh, okay, this has a nice pump on it. Very nice, sleek packaging. This says, apply generously to cleansed face and neck. Ooh, it smells nice. It smells like green tea. I like that smell. And it feels like a gel. I have a mirror right here. If you see me looking this way, that's why. Okay, so it goes in like, it comes out kind of thick onto your hand, but it like melts right into your skin. Reduce the appearance of wrinkles with this ultra light gel serum, power packed with optimum dose of our proprietary blend of fruit stem cells infused into vitamin C. Next thing I want to try is, I was so excited when I saw that we were getting this in the box. This is the Smashbox Primer and Photo Finish Centering Citrus Primer Water. And it says you can use this for all skin types. Mist on as a primer, use as a setting spray, or to refresh makeup / mood. Studio tip. Keep it cool for an extra refreshing cooling mist. Store in fridge. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Can't really smell it. Ooh. It smells like orange. Ooh, that feels really nice. I really like that. How much does that retail for? So the Smashbox Primer Water retails for $32. So we're already like way over the box price. So the next product that I want to try out and to put my foundation on is this Luxe brush that we got. This is a Luxe 732 airbrush foundation brush. So nice. And I'm actually using a new foundation today. I'm trying out the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Bronze Beige. Wow, foundation just dripped off my face. This brush is so soft. Oh, I wanted to mix that stuff in, but I didn't. Maybe, I think it's a good thing I didn't because it's so scented that I think I would have a reaction from it. My skin really isn't very good right now, but this brush is doing a really good job at smoothing everything out. So next product is, okay, so I received the Galactic, what is this called? Skin Glow in Moonlight. And I was so happy when I saw that I was getting this because I wanted this. At first reaction, I couldn't tell if it was I can't tell if it's a like a liquid product or a dry product. I haven't touched it yet. It was super soft and creamy. Okay, yeah, that's what I wanted to know. I wanted to see if it was. So there's the pinkier shade, and then there's like the highlighter shade. They're so pretty. And they're creamy. They are so creamy. Oh my goodness. I thought it was going to be a powder, and it's not. That makes me so happy because I have dry skin. So I've never used a product like this before. I don't know, I'm just going to like pat it in with my finger. Let's pat the pinky shade in first. Oh, do you see that? So pretty. So the Galactic Skin Glow Duo retails for $26. I'm obsessed with that stuff. Okay, so next thing that we are going to try is, we got some Alamar brushes, some eye brushes, and then with that, so we're going to try this next product, and it is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm super excited for these colors. I don't really have anything cool toned in my collection, so this is nice. Super, super soft, actually. Wow. I'm going to go in with the color Hide and Seek into the crease. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go in with is Pillow Fight. And I'm just going to add that a little bit higher. And then I'm going to take this packer brush and I'm going to spritz it with the Smashbox spray. go in with Clutch. This color is super pretty. So I'm not too sure what happened when I was doing my review of this palette. Something happened to the audio, but I wanted to take the time and show you guys what these colors look like because they're so nice. And they went on so smoothly and they smell so good. So this palette is definitely an A+ for me. The liquid lipstick that I ended up getting made me very happy because I love this brand. And the color that I received it in is Berry Red. Perfect for fall and Christmas. Ooh. Right off the bat, I'm seeing it's a little separated in here. I don't know. Let's just shake it. It's probably from sitting out in the heat. That sucks. I can't wait for winter. I can't wait for fall. Ooh, and the December Boxyluxe. I'm so excited. Alright, it's totally fine. Okay, so here is the liquid lip. I really like it. I like this whole like look that I got from everything. It's like a real cute, like girly, kind of like a older, not older, but like 20s, 30s vintage kind of look. I don't know, I just kind of feel like that with this in the lip. But don't mind my skin. I normally have really dry skin, so dry is normal. So overall, I really like it. Everything that I got in the box is really good. Like, I'm really happy. Oh, and I forgot one thing that I'm not going to be trying on here. I'm going to try it like after I get out of the shower because it's for my hair. It's like a smoothing cream, moisture and shine cream. And it makes me really happy that like Boxycharm actually listened to me because like I filled out like a quiz online and it asked me like a few questions of would I rather have this product or that product. And one product that I said that I did not want was dry shampoo. And that's one product that I saw that everybody was getting from this brand was dry shampoo. I actually haven't seen anyone with this yet. So I think this is great. Like, it gives options. I was going to either give away my dry shampoo or sell it or trade it or something. I was not happy about it. But now I have this. And I can try it when I shower, and I'm super excited. So overall, I'm very happy. Oh, oh yeah, I did show you guys the cute little bag. I'll probably use this when I go to the grocery store. Super cute. So for a total of $49, I am happy with what I got. Thank you, Boxycharm, and I will stay subscribed. I know a lot of people were unsubscribing because they didn't get their Boxyluxe, but I feel like Boxycharm is probably going to make up for Christmas. I think Christmas is going to be a really good box, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, you can go ahead and use my referral link down below that I'm going to put for you. And if you use that referral link, you will receive a free gift, which I believe is an IT Cosmetics moisturizer. So go ahead and check that out down below if you're interested. and stay tuned for my next video, and I hope you guys liked it. Bye!